Harsh. It's a correction morning, which we are seeing with our call writers being very active and across the strike prices there. The Nifty down nearly 0.6%, so it's fallen off in the last half an hour further, with open interest up marginally. So there is a long unwinding which is also happening, because we have, for the last two trading sessions, we have seen some of the short covering happening, and that led to the Nifty going close to 24,000. So if you look at Nifty Bank, the Nifty Bank is also seeing nearly 0.5% cut, with open interest down. So some of the long positions which were there in Nifty Bank are getting cut as we speak. And if you take the snapshot of what's happening within the banking Nifty Bank, you have SDFC Bank, where we are seeing some shorts getting built, ICICI Bank, which is seeing some shorts building, and SBI. There's a long unwind which is happening in Axis Bank, but some long buying seeing in BOB, Bank of India, and Bandhan Bank, where we have seen some long buying there. Otherwise, it's basically unwind of some of the long positions or short positions getting built there. Look at the Nifty options snapshot, and it will give you a sense of how the call writers are active in the morning. You have, we started the day around 24,000. We've seen a good activity happening by call writers on 24,000, and then they're pushing the index lower to 23,900, and now there's some activity happening in 23,800. And if you look at the distribution chart, it will give you a sense where it is. We are around 23,800. Again, we are seeing call writers being more than the put writers there, and there's a good resistance coming in for the market at that level there. Futures gainers, include interesting stocks today. HAL. Long buying, seeing 4.5% up. Cochin Shipyard, BHEL. So defense is active and in the futures market today. You have Indalco and metal stocks also, showing up nearly 3% gain in today's trade. But in the losers, you have stocks like PG Electro, where there's a short build-up which is happening. Info Edge numbers came out, decent numbers which is there, but still some short build-up happening. And Ambuja Cement and Keynes are the other stocks where we have seen some shorts getting build up as we speak. Open interest gainers include stocks like Godfrey Phillips, Cochin Shipyard, and Nippon. Godfrey and Cochin are seeing some long build-up happening. Nippon is seeing some short build-up there, and so open interests are up for all of them from between 6 and 19% respectively. Among the losers, you have, Adani Power, where there is a long unwind which is happening. Adani Enterprise is also seeing some long unwind. Sale is seeing some short covering, and the stock is up. But since the open is down nearly 1% in today's trade. Look at the most active stock options. HAL 4000 April call. We mentioned about the fact that how HAL was active in the futures market. The premium up nearly 116 rupees to 189. There is 9.45 thousand, means 94,000 contracts which have got added in HAL at 4,000 April call there. The other call option which is active today is TCS 2600 April call, where the premium has fallen by 0.6 or 60 paisa to 6140. 1.53 lakh contracts getting added, and the stock hovering above the 2550 mark as we speak. In the put, we are seeing HDFC 800 April put. That's one strike which has been active for last couple of days. Premium up nearly 5.6 to 18 to nearly 19 rupees, and there's an unwind of positions that's happening with 1.57 lakh contracts falling off. So market is giving up some of the gains that it has seen over the last 2 days, and it's a call writers morning as we speak.
Interesting. Okay, on that note, let's wind it up right here in this edition of The Market, and it's a goodbye from Harsh and me.